Ingat ka na.
For the information of Cebu Pacific on Flight 5G836 bound for Manila. Your suspect has already departed in Manila and now sending the door at Bicol International Airport at around 12:35 this morning.
Diri pa, ayaw, diri. Diri. Kapot ka lang pa. I'm here in Bicol International Airport, first time. The chapel. Ah, there's a chapel. Chapel. There's a chapel in the airport where you can pray for protection before going to journey. And safe journey. Wow, beautiful. Tara ta. Nanginay ko na pa, sige. ka sa pre-domestic departure. Gerak ka na ka. Record ka. Gerak. Very hungry and I'm buying two at least one for my father.
Mr. Paul Christian Imperial,
Arroz
Mr.
caldo,
Jefferson
chicken arroz
Lumaya,
caldo.
Mr. Brian Lumaya,
Because we have
Mr.
some
Romel Pagbalon,
fever.
and Aileen
Fever.
Merano, to kindly
Just
board
a
the aircraft
little
now
cough.
to gate number 8. This is your last and final call for boarding. Thank you.
Opo, kung walang clouds.
Buti ka pa.
May pa-vlog-vlog. Uso na kasi YouTube po ngayon eh.
Para ano,
Opo.
yung remembrance.
Opo, remembrance din.
That's funny, that girl. We went back to the security because I got some issue. I have the laptop on my check-in, so we opened our luggage, etc. And I went back again because there was some prohibited item on my carry-on. So I've been seeing the same girl over there, and I started teasing her. I said, I don't want to see you again. And now we saw her again. So it's been about 3 or 4 times I've seen her in the last, what, 2, 3 hours? Tanda pa niya, ano, Jun?
Sabi ko, ayaw niya na.
Oh, she's
Ayaw
funny.
na ako dun sa nakikita.
What seat number are you on? You know? I'm in 22. Oh, I'm on 42A. Way back there. Well, Mike, nice meeting you. Okay? Nice to meet you. Right here, Mike. Near the window, too.
Para makita niyo.
To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic
Or for safety requirement for takeoff, we'll be turning off the cabin lights. If you wish to redo, the lights are found in the surface mounts above you.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Mm-hmm.